airport. Now, question is that there is an airport and there are already 55 aeroplanes is already there. There is an airport and already 55 aeroplanes is already there. Now 37 more. 37 more aeroplanes come and land. How many? 37 more aeroplanes come and land. Question is asking how many aeroplanes are there in the airport now. So we are first side of our statement. There are 55 aeroplanes in an airport. First statement is that number of aeroplanes. Where? In an airport. Then you tell me how many number of airplanes in an airport? Then 55. 55. Now 37 more aeroplanes come and land. How many aeroplanes come and land? 37. Second statement, number of aeroplanes come and land. How many aeroplanes come and land? Then 37. Now question is asking how many aeroplanes are there in the airport now. Means total how many number of aeroplanes are in the airport now. What will we do? We will add because question is asking about total. Question is asking about total. Number of aeroplanes in the airport 55. Number of aeroplanes come and land 37 now. So total number of aeroplanes. How many? Add 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 12. 2 carry 1. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. 92 is the answer. 92 is the answer. Also you all can understand. Now it's our time of second question.